Alrighty, the next oil in the premium starter kit that we're going to talk about is the Thieves blend. So Thieves, I did a whole video on this with Jason, and it was a informational video about how it got its name. Basically, during the plague in the 15th century, some gentlemen or some people were robbing those who had recently passed away from the plague. And when they were caught, they had to tell what blend or what it was that they were using to stay safe. And so the blend that they were using of herbs is now marketed and is called the Thieves blend. So Thieves blend, and you will actually get the Vitality Thieves blend in your premium starter kit. It is very good for supporting your immune system. It is very good for just all around overall health and wellness, to make sure that your immune system is where it needs to be. Again, this is a Vitality, so it is generally regarded as safe for consumption by the FDA. So again, use it in your tea, use it in your cooking. It's got a very cinnamony flavor to it. You can also put it in a capsule, and you can take it internally when you need a little boost on your immune system. So again, Thieves Vitality, you'll get it in your Young Living Premium Starter Kit. Make sure you click on subscribe to our channel, Young Living the Good Life, and you will be able to know all about all of the oils in the Premium Starter Kit, and you'll learn so much about all of the products that we have. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks!